Today, I'll walk you through how to integrate Notion and Google Sheets with two-way sync, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up this integration so you can streamline your workflow and keep your data in sync effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. This is where we will begin our integration process. Simply type in google.com and hit enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the apps icon in the upper right corner. It looks like a grid of dots. Click on that icon to open a menu of Google Apps. From the menu, select Sheets. This will take you to Google Sheets, where we will create a new spreadsheet for our integration. It's like opening a blank canvas for your data. Now, click on the option for a blank spreadsheet. This will open a new sheet where we can set up our Notion integration. Think of it as laying the groundwork for our project. Next, navigate to the top menu and click on Extensions. This is where we will install the Notion integration. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps will still be the same. In the Extensions menu, select Add-ons. This will allow us to access additional features that can enhance our Google Sheets experience. It's like adding tools to your toolbox. Now click on Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can find various add-ons to enhance your Sheets functionality, similar to browsing an app store for your phone. In the search bar, type in Sync to Sheets. This is the add-on we need to connect Notion and Google Sheets. It's essential for our two-way sync. Once you see Sync to Sheets in the results, click on Install. This will initiate the installation process. Just a moment while it sets everything up. After installation, you may need to sign in to your Google account. Click on Continue to allow the add-on to access your Google Sheets. This is a necessary step for the integration to work smoothly. Next, you will see a consent screen. Click on Select All to grant Google access to your information on your Notion account. This is important for the two-way sync to function properly. After that, click on Continue again to finalize the permissions. It's a simple step, but crucial for the integration. Now, once installed, refresh your Google Sheets. This ensures that our newly installed app will work properly. Think of it as rebooting your computer after installing new software. After refreshing, you should see Sync to Sheets on your side pane. This indicates that the integration is ready to go. It's like seeing the new tool you just added to your toolbox. Click on Sync a New Database. This will allow you to choose the Notion database you want to sync with Google Sheets. It's time to connect the two platforms. Select your database from the list that appears. This is where you decide what data you want to keep in sync, similar to picking which files you want to back up. Finally, click on Save. Your Notion database should now automatically sync with Google Sheets and will update every 15 minutes. This means your data will always be current and accessible. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.